A few weeks back, I caught myself doing the same thing again, scrolling through shorts, watching other creators grow while I was still stuck editing late at night. That's when I came across AutoShorts AI. It promised to create shorts automatically, and honestly, I laughed, but curiosity got the best of me. Step 1. What AutoShorts AI actually is. AutoShorts AI isn't magic. It's basically a tool that takes care of the boring parts of short-form content: scripting, visuals, captions, all of it. You tell it what kind of content you want and it gets to work. I went in expecting something sloppy. What I got was better than I thought. Step 2, setting it up. The setup was surprisingly simple. I picked a niche, chose the vibe I wanted, and connected my account. No long tutorials, no confusing menus. That's when it hit me. This tool isn't made for perfectionists, it's made for people who want to post consistently. Step 3, the first video. When the first short finished generating, I paused. Not because it was insane, but because it looked like something I'd actually post. Was it perfect? No. Was it usable? Absolutely. Step 4, the big question. Will it go viral? Let's be real. No tool can promise viral videos, but AutoShorts understands how shorts work. Fast hooks, quick cuts, simple captions, and that alone saves hours every week. Step 5, the honest pros and cons. What I liked: huge time saver, easy for beginners, helps you stay consistent. What I didn't: limited control, not great if you love detailed editing. Final thoughts. So, does AutoShorts AI create viral shorts on autopilot? Not exactly, but if you're tired, busy, or stuck posting nothing at all, this tool can keep your channel alive and growing. And sometimes, that's all you really need. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.